So my video editing students have been asking me what they need to start their content creation journey. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, Priska T Farm, you are welcome back to my channel. So if you're just joining us for the first time and you have not subscribed, please click on the notification bell, the subscribe button below, and turn on notifications so that you can be notified each time I drop a new video. Let's do this. I want you to always be the first to be notified each time I drop a video.
Done! It's finally done!
So let's get into the topic of today. So my video editing students have been asking me what they need to start their content creation journey.
Been waiting for this.
And I thought, why not? Why don't I bring it to my YouTube subscribers and let them know what they need to start their content creation journey? Perhaps you're at that point where you're contemplating starting content creation and you are just confused. You don't know where to start from and what you need to start from. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 major things you need to have before you start your content creation journey. And guess what? These things are absolutely free of charge.
Are you serious?
Yes, so that's a good news for you. Sit back and enjoy this video. Make sure you like, leave a comment below, and share after watching this video. All right, so the first thing you need is a focus niche. What do you want to create content about? You need to have a focus niche. Do you want to talk about love? Do you want to talk about family? Do you want to talk about books? Do you want to talk about programming? You need to have a focus niche. Number 2, you need to have a phone. Yes, I did not say good phone. I did not say camera. I said you need to have a phone.
In this phone?
Yes. All you need to do is to ensure that your storage space is at least 2 gig, 16 gig RAM space. Very, very important. That is all you need so that you can be able to shoot your videos and also edit it without a problem. That phone that you're using to watch me right now is good enough to start your content creation journey. You do not need a camera right now. Just start your content creation journey with that phone. And I'm going to show you how you can maximize the use of that phone. Number 3, you need sunlight. You need sunlight. Make sure that when you're shooting your content, you are shooting in front of sunlight, in front of light. It can be in your bedroom, it can be in your sitting room, it can be anywhere, but make sure you are facing the window so that the sunlight can reflect on your face. Sunlight is free of charge and free for everyone to use. So what are you waiting for? Go in front of your window in your house or get a nice outdoor area and shoot your videos for free. It doesn't cost so much. Just get good sunlight and shoot your videos. Number 3, you need your voice. You just need your voice to start your content creation journey. Don't go around investing in mics and all of that. Well, while they are good, they are not necessary to begin your content creation journey. Because you're using your voice, you want to ensure that your environment is less prone to noise so that people can hear what you are saying. You don't want to be communicating and then there are other background noises that makes it difficult for your audience to relate to what you're saying. Do you understand? So get that in place. All right, the next thing. That is, you need a good environment, and of course you don't need to go far because I believe that your environment is clean and tidy. Yes, you can shoot your video in that environment. You don't need to go and look for the best places to shoot your videos. Of course, aesthetics is very important, but you can start where you are. Just ensure that your environment is neat and tidy, and then you are good to go. All right, so if you watched this video up to this moment, I know you did and you enjoyed the video. Do go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and share with your loved ones and friends who are contemplating on starting their content creation journey. So I come your way next time. Always go for excellence. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Priska T's Hub. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow me right now and let me know that you're following me, right? So I can send you my love. See you!